Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up a RingCentral account for your business phone system, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the official RingCentral website and click on Plans and Pricing to explore the different business phone and communication plans available. Step 2. Select the plan that best fits your business needs, whether Core for basic calling, Advanced for additional features, or Ultra for comprehensive unified communications. Step 3. Click on Buy Now or Free Trial to begin the registration process. RingCentral often offers trial periods for new customers. Step 4. Enter your business email address and create a secure password for your RingCentral account. This will be your admin account credentials. Step 5. Provide your business information, including company name, business address, industry type, and number of employees. Step 6. Select your phone number options. You can port existing numbers, get new local or toll-free numbers, or choose vanity numbers for your business. Step 7. Enter your billing information and select your payment method. Review the pricing details, including monthly charges, setup fees, and any promotional discounts. Step 8. Complete the registration and set up your first users. Add team members, assign phone numbers, configure call routing, voicemail settings, and download the RingCentral app on computers and mobile devices. Customize your business hours, greetings, and communication preferences through the admin portal to optimize your phone system. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.